Okay, welcome to part 6. Now we're going to look at another example. We'll look at the example of Jennifer's mother dropping her off for daycare. Let's go back to our questions here. Which organism are we talking about? Now we have two here. We have Jennifer's mother and we've got Jennifer herself. So let's look at this right now from the point of view of Jennifer's mother. Okay, so Jennifer's mother is going to be our organism. She's the star of the show. Okay. Let's see what behavior that we have here. Okay. I think the behavior that we're looking at here is this. She stays and pays attention a few minutes more to Jennifer. Okay. What happens right after she does this behavior? Because before this, we have Jennifer screaming and yelling. But what happens right after the behavior? Jennifer calms down. All right, we've got our behavior. Is this behavior strengthened or weakened? Well, I think if you look at this down here, you'll see it's strengthened. It happens for a long time each morning after. Same situation, which would include her mother staying and paying attention to her a few minutes more. So we know we've got our organism is Jennifer's mother. We know what her behavior is. We know it's strengthened. Now, is this behavior, right after this behavior, right after the red, is something presented, added, subtracted, or is something removed, subtracted, or stopped? I think I misspoke that again, didn't I? Is something presented, added, or started? Or is something removed, subtracted, or stopped? What happens right after the red behavior? Well, Jennifer calms down and stops crying. There's our key right there. So what we've got here is a situation where the behavior of the mother stopped something that was aversive or unpleasant. That brings us to the discriminative stimulus, which, remember, in this case, negative reinforcement the discriminative stimulus is aversive. It's bad, and the behavior is meant to remove this, to subtract this. Okay, so let's look at this again. Over here, stops crying, we're removing the aversive stimulus. What is the aversive stimulus? What is the discriminative aversive stimulus? Well, in this case, I think it's when Jennifer screams and yells. This is something bad and the mother wants it to stop, so she does this. Jennifer stops crying. Now Jennifer is, training her mother, basically. Jennifer is reinforcing the behavior in her mother. And we know this because same thing goes on for a long time, day after day. Okay, see you in the next recording.